MR Square. This mock-up is consisting $3 billion of investment has been made by MR. Address Istanbul, office building, heights, residences, and address residence with the shopping mall. All these nice restaurants, high-end shops, Louis Vuitton, Starbucks, whatever you think is here. And on the Asian side of Istanbul, close to Kadıköy, with great sea view, you can enjoy many things here. Today, we will see the sample apartments from this point. Let's go. Today we are in MR Square, but not only the reason was coming here and explaining MR Square apartments. The idea is Address Istanbul is offering a great opportunity that with 25% down payment and 10 years of installment, rest of the payments without bank, MR Finance, that you can make a $1 million of investment with $250,000 down payment. Which means that after you get your apartment, the installment that you are going to pay will be paid by the rental return of Address Istanbul. So after 10 years you will own $1 million apartment with a base investment of $250,000. In the meantime, Turkish government is granting you with a Turkish citizenship with this investment. And in the end, you are joining to MR Family. MR Family is giving you advantages, discounts all over the world of their hotels and residences. Let's go and see Address apartments. I know it will surprise you. This is not the living room of an apartment. This is a common area. This is the entrance of the apartment building here. And when your guests are coming to building, they can wait and reception will ask if you are available there or not. The quality is hidden in the small details. Even these flowers are live. And each 2 days, they renew them. This is MR, the quality. Welcome, welcome. This will surprise you. It's fully furnished apartment. In MR, 158 meters square, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, closed kitchen, with all included, with all furniture. So you can move to this apartment tomorrow after you purchase it. Everything is ready, so you don't need to work for anything. All the items in this apartment, highest quality. Even these are Hafele. All furnitures are Turkish well-known brand, Fatih Kral. All the items. So, right now what we see is over here we have a separated kitchen. All items are Gaggenau, best quality. Microwave, oven, cooker, all these small items all are included in the apartment. Normally they do this for sample apartment, but in this building each apartment is a sample apartment. So today you sign, tomorrow you sleep. It is ready. In Turkish we say taş gibi daire. It's like a stone. Ready. We have the master bedroom. What I like on MR in Istanbul it's not common right now. Each apartment has a hot tub and shower at the same time in the master bathroom. And 2 sinks. This is the simple luxury which Emaar is providing you. Even the sheets are coming with the flat. This is not the first time I have seen here before, but I am sure it will wow you. On the 35th floor, this penthouse swimming pool and this breathtaking view of financial district of Ataşehir and Princess Islands is amazing. So you can enjoy your day on this swimming pool, on the back, this financial district. What is important here? This financial district will be ready in few years, that all these high-end managers, CEOs will want to live here. This will increase the value of these apartments. So, thank you for watching today. Emaar has amazed us. It amazed you also. This Princess Islands view is amazing. Thank you for watching my video today. See you on my next vlog.